A lot of you have been asking me about the gear that I use during our cooking sessions, specifically about the cooktops that we use at all of the workstations. The brand that we use is called NuWave. It is the NuWave Precision Induction Cooktop 2, or PIC2. Now, NuWave makes a whole range of different ranges, pun intended. What's nice about this particular model is that it's small, it's lightweight. Oftentimes you can order it with this convenient little carrying case, and you can plug it into any normal outlet, which means you can use it in your home or out on the deck, or if you happen to be going on a camping trip and are close to an electric outlet, these are great. There are a lot of units out there that basically have low, medium, high, and super blazing hot. With this particular model, you have 6 presets along the front, but you also have the ability to change the specific temperature at which you are cooking by increments of 10 degrees, which I find very helpful because sometimes you want to keep a soup at a rolling boil, and that means keeping it at a temperature somewhere between medium and medium high. So the ability to set the exact temperature at which you're cooking is very, very helpful. It's also really helpful when I'm using that as a deep fryer. I can have a pan sitting on here on top of the induction range and set it to 350 or 375 degrees, and I know the things that I'm deep frying or shallow frying are going to come out golden crispy and delicious. And because it's an induction range, it is very responsive. You turn it on, the pan gets hot almost right away, which is really nice when I'm doing the cooking sessions, or especially the demonstrations when I'm cooking outdoors. I don't have to worry about any open flames, winds, blowing out my butane or anything like that. These can cook in any temperature and in any surroundings. I ordered this equipment along with much of the other equipment that I use in my sessions on Amazon. And in fact, if you follow the link on this page, you can go to my affiliate page and find out about all the different pieces of equipment that I use in my sessions and order one for yourself. Now, with induction, you do have to be careful about the pan that you use, because not every pan is conductive to induction, I guess is how you would say it. Different pans are made with different materials that don't always respond to the electromagnetism, which is how the induction range works. It uses an electromagnet that actually stimulates the metal ions in the pan itself to create the heat, which is why oftentimes when you're using an induction range, you'll be able to touch it and it'll still be cool to the touch. The heat is all happening in the pan. Now, NuWave does make its own line of cookware that obviously works really well with the NuWave induction range, and I like them a lot. I like the coating. They cook really well, they clean really well, so I'm really satisfied with that product as well. I'll see you in the kitchen. Hey guys! Yeah, go right ahead.
How you doing?